Hello.
Hello, Jaydeep.
Hi, Juvan. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Yeah, me too. I am also fine. Where are you from?
In Maharashtra? In Maharashtra?
Yeah, I know. Me too. I am also from Maharashtra.
In which? In which state?
Yeah, I live in Bombay. And you?
Bombay. Nice.
Yeah.
You know Satara? Satara?
Satara or Sangli? Satara, Sangli.
Yeah. Satara.
Okay.
In Satara, you know that Karad?
Yeah, I know Karad. Is there any institution like MIT institution?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Okay.
So,
What are you? Okay, ask. You can ask.
okay, you can ask. What you are going to ask me?
Nothing else, but what are you doing? Job or study?
Yeah, I'm doing study.
Which standard?
Actually, I am first standard. I'm in first year of law.
Law. Nice.
Yes.
Law.
Yes.
I also completed. You know that Kolhapur?
Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara. That are the combined. I mean, that is combined in comprises in one division.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is also that closer to each other.
So closer and all over the boundary are connected each other.
Yes, sir. Sharing boundaries to each other.
Yeah. In the Kolhapur Cyber College, I was also completed master degree.
Cyber College.
Yeah, Cyber College. In the Cyber College, I was also completed master degree in environmental science.
Cyber is related is what, like is it like a hacking, or is it like to providing the security for I mean preventing the cyber threat, like?
I know that what you say, but such in that type does not cyber. Our cyber full form is Chhatrapati Shahu.
Okay, so it is your college name. I thought it is like any, I mean, master's course, like that ethical hacker or something like.
No, this not type. Cyber means Chhatrapati Shahu section.
Okay, it is a institution.
Instead, our institution.
Yeah, be of the name of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj.
Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Kolhapur.
Yes. So
cyber, I also told us many people cyber college.
Yeah.
Just they also know that cyber means hacking, cyber means such in that type. But
Okay.
this is not reality.
Okay, so are you doing your MA in art or any other subject?
No, MA not. Firstly BSc.
Okay, BSc, and what subject you have, I mean, choose?
You know botany.
Okay, botany,
Bot-
and that is completely out of my mind actually.
Huh?
That is out of my mind because I don't have any idea about the botany, but still I am very environmentalist.
Huh?
Yes.
You know that environmental law all over. Because this is your study point of view.
Yeah. You know that in first year we have the explanation only, and there is like you can say like there is very complexity, and we can't choose like the specialty. We can't choose the specialty. There is a combined subject of all.
All over.
Yeah.
Okay.
And right now we started from we have beginnings from Indian Penal Code and CRPC and some tort and some theft and like this.
Yeah. In which college?
In which college? Okay, you know that you know that I am completing from you can say like Mumbai University.
Yeah.
So
From
friend,
my
apart from my subject or your subject, can you choose any other topics like that is very relevant to the Indian politics, geography, or whatever
Yeah.
another topics? Because you know that law is very tough subject and also very complexities.
Yeah. You're right, because we are studying in that time.
Mhm.
In that time, we have environmental law, and such in this critical because
Yeah.
they totally out of mind.
Yeah.
And in examination time, I did not get it what what should I write in the
Yeah.
examination, what it writes. But
Yeah.
this is a very complex subject.
Yeah, but you know that apart from that, what do I personally like? I like UPSC, and so simultaneously with the prepare of I mean law, that I'm also doing the UPSC.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Just I am just completing its some chapters and the syllabus.
Hmm?
Yeah, because the syllabus curriculum is very you can say it is very bulky, and at least there are 44 subject 48, oh sorry,
40 subject,
48 subject.
48 subject.
Yeah, in UPSC.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
subject, sub subject, and their part. Yeah, so that is like 48, and you know that it is very toughest exam in the world.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
So what do you
And,
like? Can you just could you just tell me about your native areas, your districts? What is the famous places? What is the tourist places? If I want to visit there, so what is what you will situated me to go?
First of all, in our Karad,
Yeah.
in our Karad are having the I think one small park having in our Karad.
Okay. Is it a national park or I mean like wildlife sanctuary?
Not a single park, such a small park.
Okay, okay.
Small one. And in our Satara,
Yeah.
in our Satara is Rajdhani.
Rajdhani.
That
Rajdhani is like a capital or it is a place?
Capital.
Capital. Oh my god. Also district also having I mean the capital. The first time I'm hearing.
Satara is very huge and meaningful because in our Satara are having the many good places
Yeah.
and a very important place.
And there is also I mean I can say by my own there was a influence of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj during their times. I mean he was the last Chhatrapati in Kolhapur, so there is their institutions, and so that's only why there also can be found some forts or where they used to live.
Okay.
What is that
In
places?
what do you say?
I said what is that place name is? I mean like was he living in a fort or there was like a Rajwada something like?
Yeah, Vasoda. You know Vasoda.
Vasoda. I don't know about it. What is that?
Fort. This is the fort. Vasoda.
It is a food.
Fort.
Oh, okay, okay, fort. Okay, okay. Okay, I actually pardon it. Fort.
This is very huge, and one of the time you can enter in that fort,
Mm-hmm.
then you don't know how to come back.
Okay, oh my god. It is like a illusion. It is like a illusionary pathways.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It is underground pathway or open?
This is open, but you don't understand.
Okay, we don't understand where to go. Yeah, it is it is a point of view of when enemies comes and enter in that form. So particularly they didn't understand. I mean they don't understand where to go or not.
Totally hidden. Yeah, totally hidden.
Yeah, yeah.
And another fort are having in our Sindhudurga. You know that Sindhudurga?
Sindhudurga. There is also one fort, and that is if I'm not wrong, that is in coastal area.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that is the first navy that is built by the Shivaji Maharaj.
Yeah, Shivaji Maharaj.
Yeah, so naval exercise they was doing in marine.
Marine Drive.
No, marine is like related to sea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a naval exercise. They was conducting the marine exercises over the sea.
Sorry.
I mean, they was conducting the marine exercise. Yeah. In waterways, there was that there was very seaways and waterways also there, and that is mostly used by what I can say Portuguese does and French. Lots of foreigners come. Yeah.
You saw the Janjira? You saw the Janjira?
No. leave now because someone is calling me. So it
Okay,
was very
okay.
nice to talk with you.
Nice to meet you. And second thing is that your voice is very good
My voice is very good. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
because your voice are having the strength. And second thing is that
Haha.
your pronunciation is very clear. So that's why you will be in the law. And I think you will be better.
Yeah,
Because
but yeah.
your are most